So now we are going to see the ID attribute. First we have seen class attribute, and now we are going to see the ID attribute. So h3 ID attribute. Well, what is ID attribute? Let's say ID attribute specifies a unique ID for an HTML element. For any HTML element you can define a specific ID, and that ID should be unique. You cannot have the same ID for multiple elements. The ID value can be accessed by CSS or JavaScript to perform certain tasks for the element with the specific ID value. So in CSS, the to select an element with the specific ID, we write the hash. This is how we can access hash character followed by the ID of the element. So let's create a h1, okay, and I can give ID to my header, okay, my header with ID my header. Let me refresh this one. Yeah, okay. So my header with the ID my header, and now we want to access this ID in CSS. So first we have to define the style element, and here to access that my ID you have to use the hash keyword and the name of the ID my header. It is case sensitive, okay. Let's change background color to light blue, okay. Let's add padding 400 pixel 40 pixels, sorry, and let's do alignment, text align center. So you see, we have defined an HTML element with the ID my header, and then we have accessed that ID in the CSS or in the style element with hash key, and then this is the property and this is the value in HTML. Property, value, property and value. So these CSS properties are used to customize or to play with the designing of the HTML element. So this is how you can define an HTML element and define the ID for that element.